Alright, welcome to another episode. Today we have Run Saber for the Super Nintendo. I haven't played this game, so can't really comment on anything about it right now, but of course we're going to get into first impressions right after this unboxing. Let's get right into the box art here. You got the Run Saber logo in the top left corner. This cyborg looking thing there fighting. Looks to be some sort of superhuman. Got a sword there. Some cool looking super jump boots there. And in the background you got this twisted tree or something. And it looks to be like fire or smoke. Look at this. The artist's signature, Julie. Copyright 93. It's a pretty old game here. Take a look at the back. The description, Swords of Fury. The year is 2998. Wow. The earth is hopelessly polluted. Mankind's last chance for a clean planet rests in the hands of Dr. Bruford. Plan to use radiation. Interesting plot, interesting plot. So I'm guessing you just gotta go save the earth. Here's some screenshots. Looks pretty cool. I especially like this one. That scene looks awesome. I think it's some sort of a boss battle there. So really looking forward to it. Let's take a look at the contents here. Got the cartridge there. Manual. Some inserts here, and oof, looks like a poster. Nice. Let's open this up. Dang, full art poster of the cover art. Nothing on the back, but that's pretty wicked. Look at that. In great shape too. Alright, let's go through the instruction booklet. Pretty thin. You got the storyline there. Controller layout. How to play. The heroes. We got Alan, codename Thunder Saber. Sheena, codename Ice Saber. And so you got two heroes basically. One male, one female. That's nice. You can play 2-player. Lots of fun playing co-op in this thing. And then shows the different worlds here. That's it for the instruction booklet. Take a look at this cartridge. There's your cartridge. Open it up and take a look at the circuit board here. Pretty clean board. So that's it. Let's get into the first impressions. Alright guys, Run Saber in the Snes. This is gonna be lots of fun. Look at this intro cutscene. Damn. Who's that guy? Run Saber. Love it. Here we go. 1 and 2 players. We're gonna go 1 player. I'm gonna go with the dude because he's got the lightning saber. I like lightning, electricity. You know how it is. Here we go. All right. Bam. All right. Low gravity. We got some low gravity jumps here. All right, let's get into it. Okay, you can kick down. That's nice. Oh! Damn. What's that? Woo! Whoa! Okay, this is a tough little game we got here. You can climb walls. What's this? I can kill that. That's good. All right, we're up. We made it up. Let's go. Love the tunes. Classic SNES tunes. High energy. Gets you going here. Oh! Already down another life. I don't like how you can't shoot up. You can't aim the thing up. Can't aim your attack up or down. Oh, there's a slide, yo. I forgot about the bumpers, yo. How are you supposed to take him out if he's camping up there, man? I am very bad at this game. I do not like the low gravity. It's really messing with me. Ooh, this is sick. Got an F-35 here. And we're blasting off. F-22 Raptor. Woo! Sick, yo. Has he got armor or something? Yeah. Oh. This is a tough game. This is a tough, very tough game. Dang, but I did it. Woohoo! We blew up that fighter jet, guys. Like, where's all the health? You get half health, and there's no health being dropped. I need hit points, son. Tong City, stage 2. Woohoo! Yo! You can kill people with that? That's hype! Man, this level's tough, yo. Get me away from that thing, yo. Takes a few hits. Alright, 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 alright. Oh, man. More boss fight. Damn, he's juking me, yo! Yeah, we got him, though. It's all good. Huh? Damn, this game is... It's kind of like a... Yeah. Is it just me? Am I just awful at this game or what, guys? Let me know in the comments. Or is this a somewhat difficult game? Okay, that's it. That's it for the first impressions. I really enjoyed this. At first, I was kind of annoyed with it, but after playing a bit, getting used to the controls, the low gravity, it's a really fun game. It's difficult, good tunes, just anything you'd expect out of a classic side-scrolling action game. I like it, other than the low gravity. It is tough just to learn it, but yeah, awesome game. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.